Hello dear friends, welcome back. We are discussing about the muscles of the human body that we have started about the muscles of the upper limb, right? So we have reached up to the muscles of the posterior compartment of the forearm, the superficial muscles I'm recording, and in the previous lecture we have discussed about extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digiti minimi. Now let us discuss about the extensor carpi radialis longus. Extensor carpi radialis longus. So it will cause the extension of the carpal bones. It will come in the way of radius bone, and longus means it is longer muscle, right? So look carefully. This is the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. Extensor carpi radialis longus. Let's see. It's a muscle of forearm. The tendon of the extensor carpi radialis longus can also easily palpated. Okay, all these points you can see, shallow triangular depression. Okay, you can see all these points by yourself, right? So, okay, where is it located? Extensor carpi radialis longus muscle is a muscle found in the posterior compartment of your forearm. You know that. Where does it arise? It gets its origin from the lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus. Lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus and lateral intermuscular septum of the arm. Right? It inserts into the posterior aspects of the base of the metacarpal bone number 2. Right? Metacarpal bone number 2, so it inserts there. Okay, and what is its action? At rest joint, hand extension, hand abduction, right? So whenever it will contract, it will cause the extension and abduction. Extension and abduction. What is its blood supply? It is supplied with radial recurrent artery, radial collateral artery, and radial artery. All these arteries I have already discussed in the section of the cardiovascular system. You can watch those lectures. And what about innervation? It is innervated by a radial nerve, right? This was about the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. Now the next muscle, there is extensor carpi radialis brevis muscle. Brevis means short. Extensor carpi radialis, the same meaning which I told you before. So there is extensor carpi radialis brevis. We will discuss it in the next lecture.